afternoon everybody. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. We're doing an egg frittata. This is a very popular Italian baked egg, but filled with all the goodness and richness of vegetables, proteins, and anything that you can. It's very versatile. We've plucked everything from the garden today: mushrooms, broccoli, spinach, spring onion, ginger, garlic, and we top this up with goat cheese, sausage, and parmesan. Hope you enjoyed. Let's slice some potatoes with the skin on. In a hot cast iron skillet, let's add some olive oil and line the potatoes, which we will use as a base. Sprinkle some salt and freshly cracked peppers. Cover and cook in a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Slice, chop or dice as you wish, but make them all the same shape and size because they need to cook very quickly. Red peppers, green onions, mushrooms and broccoli. And also add some meat, whatever that you have. I'm using chicken sausage. You can use salamis. We've got the very bright, good looking veggies and the meat. In a pan, break about 8 to 10 eggs. A good portion size is 2 eggs for a person. We're using a 12-inch skillet, so about 10 eggs is good. Add chopped ginger and onions, and then put in all the chopped mixture that you have. Add some seasoning, salt and cracked peppers. Mix it. You don't have to whisk it, but mix it nicely and pour this on top of the already cooked potatoes. Before putting this in the oven, top it up with some lovely ricotta or cream cheese. I'm using ricotta. And grate some parmesan or cheddar. I'm using cheddar. We need to bake this at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit in a hot oven for about 10 minutes. Keep checking, otherwise it can cook very rapidly. As you put this into the oven, the excitement's growing. It's one of my popular weekend brunch items. As you can see, when you bring this out, it's lovely, soft, very creamy, and there you go, voila, we have our egg frittata today. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna have a good one today. Cheers.